diys-by-dar, it's time for Sprung Smalls. This is part of a collab I Can't Sleep Creations collaborations by Dawn from Shabby Meat Spling and Up All Night DIYs. So I have this mirror, and it is a home interior mirror. It's in pretty yucky shape. After I scrubbed it with a toothbrush, I'm ready to take some Rust-Oleum metallic paint and go over the top of it again. And I suggest, because this is a plastic, pretty shiny frame, just little bursts. I did have to go over this about 4 times to get it completely covered, but it sure looked a lot better than what I started. I have some gilding wax now from Dixie Belle in bronze, and I just want these little embellishments to stand out a bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and just use my finger and rub this over the top. And this does dry pretty fast. So once this frame is all dry, I will be able to go ahead and put this back together. So that's what it looks like at this point. Clean and dry, just like brand new. I have the glass put back in. Make sure your glass is clean. You don't want to get your picture in there and then turn it over and take a look at it and realize there's a big smudge inside or a big something or other in there. And just make sure that's clean. Give it a once over. It's looking good. I am ready to go ahead and put my mirror back in, get that in place. And all that is left is this back, and you can see the home interior little logo on the bottom there, and get the screws back in place, nice and tight. And this piece is ready to go. It does sell for $30 to $40 online. So I will probably take this to my booth. And the next one are my happy little Easter rabbits in my little flowers and garden tin. I have my supplies ready to go, some flowers, some clippers, some moss balls. And we are going to go ahead and put these chunks of wood in there. The 2 bottom pieces were pretty tight, but the one I am going to set the rabbits on, I need to glue this in place. So I've got wood to wood, so I'm going to use some wood glue. I have a fair amount on there. I'm going to spread that out. It's pretty moderately thick, and I want this block to sit back in that corner as tight as it'll go. And then I need to let this dry, and I am putting some Quick and Thick on the bottom of these rabbits, and I want them back as far as they will go, right up against that metal, so when that dries, they are not going to move, and you cannot pick them up. Well, I suppose you could pick them up. Now I have some floral foam, and I need to pack in around any open areas or up on the side to get ready for my flower display in a nice spring configuration. So I'm just going to sit back and you can watch what I do. Let's go through some beauty shots. These are ready to be given as gifts or put in my booth as smalls. I want to thank the ladies for the collab, Up All Night DIY, and Dawn from Shabby Meets Bling. And Dawn is going to be on our live March 25th. We do a live every Wednesday at 7 p.m. at the Flippin' Bunch. Thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.